Jamaican jerk pork is always going to be a crowd's favorite, and I feel like it's not talked about enough. I grabbed this half picnic roast in the store, so let me show you how I made it. Picnic roast is going to be the best because it have the skin and everything just like home. Wash it down thoroughly with vinegar and lemon, and me leave it soaking in the vinegar and lemon for about maybe an hour, to be honest with you. If you see the gunk will come out. But anyway, I cut them big, as you can see, in a 3, and then I hit it with some of our very own, very necessary island spiced oil. If you don't have that oil, I'll leave the link below. Click the orange basket to get yours. Do not skip the step of adding some baking soda and some cornstarch. Don't skip that step. I'm pretty sure they don't add it in Jamaica, but even in Jamaica, sometimes you get some jerk pork, it's dry and trashy. There is nothing dry or trashy about the finished product of this. And then we go in with some of our very own, very necessary peach jerk season. Again, in the orange basket, you're gonna find yours. It's summertime, it's grilling time. Or as a true yardie, I should say it's jerk time. Rub that in thoroughly and always take some time to admire how the jerk seasoning rubs sit on that pork. Then make it with a little Creole, because that is the main of salt. Another thing, our jerk seasoning and our island spiced oil, they're not salty. They're the perfect seasoning if you're watching your blood pressure and your blood sugar. All you have to do is keep the Creole seasoning, and it's just as delicious. It just has to be less salty. I add the Creole seasoning as a mean as salt and of course seasonings. So I did all that because I was gonna go outside and jerk it the true way, because people like saying to me like, oh, it's not jerk if it's not done in a grill. Shut up. No, it's jerk if we put jerk seasoning on it. And just so you see how windy outside was, I'm gonna show you the tree moving. Now I added some liquid smoke and some Japanese barbecue sauce to the dish where I take everything out. So it having the residual jerk seasoning. I added a little ketchup, a little barbecue sauce, and add some water to whatever was left in my maple syrup bottle and throw it in there. So added some water to this hot pepper bottle. It's Carolina Reaper hot pepper. Throw it in there. Stir everything in, and I divide it in a 2 through half. So I make a little gravy because we want a little sauce because we make some festival. And I put half in a bottle so I can baste this every so often. So as you see, I put the pork pan a baking pan with a grill, and I cover it with foil paper and 400 for 1 hour in the oven. 1 hour later, I take it out and then I start basting with the leftover. And I baste it 3 times within 1 hour for another hour while it was open. Left that open. So we only cover it for 1 hour with the foil paper. After the second hour, we're done baste. Take it out one last time, and I added some of the gravy, the jerk sauce what I made. I added some of it to the top and just sit it back in there for it kind of dry on pan it like I get sticky, kind of like a Barbie jerk. That's pretty much what this was a Barbie jerk pork. It was pretty good. So after I added the sauce to it, I put it back in there on 350 for about 15 minutes. Actually, it was about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes while that gets sticky. And it got sticky, and all I did from there was cut it up, and oh my god, chef kiss delicious. I top it with a little of the sauce. You don't have to. It honestly don't need any sauce. Serve it up with a side of cabbage and bok chow and saltfish and some fried saltfish festival. And oh my god, I don't know how many times I go say, oh my god, you see me I show you the skin, and me I show you the meat, and you see how juicy and tender it is. Listen to me, it's summertime and outside with it because it's hot. It's not windy like it was here. Take your pork outside and make this.